certification is a highly specialized and impactful certification tailored to prepare freshers and final-year students for success in corporate environments. This certification equips learners with in-depth knowledge of diverse organizational setups, including startups, mid-sized companies, and multinational corporations, ensuring they can navigate professional settings confidently. By focusing on corporate roles and responsibilities, PCIRR certification enables participants to understand job descriptions, departmental functions, and expectations at various levels, from entry-level to senior positions. It also sharpens professional communication skills, emphasizing verbal, written, and nonverbal communication to help students excel in meetings, presentations, and official documentation. Learners become proficient in using advanced productivity and collaboration tools such as Microsoft Office Suite, Google Workspace, Jira, Slack, and AI-driven tools like ChatGPT. This ensures they are not only efficient in managing tasks but also capable of leveraging technology to innovate and problem-solve effectively. The certification emphasizes key aspects of project coordination, including project life cycle stages, team roles, and methodologies like Agile and Waterfall. Students develop practical skills in creating project plans, timelines, and Gantt charts, preparing them to manage and execute projects with precision. Workplace ethics and professionalism are central to PCIRR certification, instilling values such as integrity, accountability, and inclusivity. Participants are trained to handle ethical dilemmas and foster respectful workplace relationships. Additionally, the program strengthens time management skills through proven strategies like the Eisenhower Matrix, time blocking, and prioritization techniques, ensuring optimal productivity. Financial literacy is another cornerstone of PCIRR certification, equipping learners with the ability to manage personal finances, understand salary structures, and analyze basic business finance concepts such as revenue and budgeting. A unique feature of the certification is the integration of AI tools, including ChatGPT and Notion AI, to enhance communication, brainstorming, and task management. Learners are introduced to prompt engineering techniques, enabling them to utilize AI tools effectively for various professional scenarios. PCIRR certification incorporates hands-on activities such as creating organizational charts, drafting project reports, conducting mock meetings, and managing financial budgets, providing students with real-world experience. These activities are paired with assessments that simulate workplace challenges, preparing candidates to adapt seamlessly to professional roles. Graduates of PCIRR certification emerge as confident, skilled, and adaptable professionals, ready to excel in corporate environments without the need for additional training. This certification not only enhances employability but also sets candidates apart as industry-ready resources, capable of contributing to organizational success from day one.